It would seem that despite the general global economic downturn, there is something out in space that world governments are spending a lot of money to keep track of. In 2003, the Spitzer Space Telescope was launched as the world's largest orbiting infrared telescope. In addition, we now have SOFIA, NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, high-altitude jumbo jets fitted with onboard telescopes to detect invisible stars. SPT, or South Polar Telescope, is an American microwave tracking telescope recently constructed at the Antarctic to monitor objects not readily observed in the visible spectrum. And nearby, the French have built their new Concordia telescope, allegedly for the purpose of monitoring seismic activity on Jupiter. Could it be mere coincidence that the best vantage point for viewing Nibiru's approach at this time would be the Antarctic, just as Dr. Harrington reported from our extreme southern hemisphere? In December of 2008, the Pan-STARRS Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System went online with a telescope constructed on Mount Haleakala on the Hawaiian island of Maui, equipped with the largest digital camera in the world, recording 1.4 billion pixels per image. This eye in the sky is specifically designed to seek out potential asteroids or comets that may pose a threat to planet Earth. And as previously mentioned, in April 2010, the latest addition to this family of new observatories, the Lucifer telescope, commenced operations atop Mount Graham near Willcox, Arizona. Built by a German-American-Italian consortium, as well as one-quarter Vatican funding, Lucifer joins church-owned Vatican Advanced Technology Telescope, VAT, in service atop Mount Graham also. Perhaps aptly named after the light bearer, Lucifer is the world's largest binocular optical telescope, designed to provide unprecedented observation of near-infrared objects. The vast light-gathering power of this telescope will allow astronomers to collect the spectral fingerprints of the faintest and most distant objects in the universe. Yet considering the ominous name of this observatory combined with its infrared technology, also suggests serious intent to locate Planet X as well. So while mainstream media continues to supply endless, inane distractions to maintain a soothing facade of everyday normality, there are covert signs that suggest the powers that be are clearly aware of the elephant in the room and are ramping up all the resources at their disposal to survive whatever's coming. Back in May 1995, former Defense Department engineer, the late Phil Schneider, revealed, "The black budget is a secretive budget that garners 25% of the gross national product of the United States. The black budget currently consumes $1.25 trillion per year. At least this amount is used in black programs, like those concerned with deep underground military bases. Presently, there are 129 deep underground military bases in the United States.